Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video I wanted to talk about something. I wanted to show you guys something. If you guys have been following me like since the beginning, just the first video is like how I came to Canada. That's how I started the channel on my main channel, and many people do message me, and even like today so many people message me about studying VFX, learning VFX, and like coming to Canada as a student and all that. Came up with this idea. It's the same idea which I had last year, but put in like so much of time to create this, and right now it's done and it's gonna launch soon. It's an app, so I wanted to show you guys that app and how it actually works, how it will be useful for you guys, for any student who's looking to join a college or university or anything, you know. And because I have spent like so many hours like trying to find like programs and colleges and all those things, so I think it will be useful. So I wanted to go through the whole app, so that's gonna be this video. And before that, please do subscribe to the channel. We're gonna hit 5,000 subscribers very soon, so if this is useful or if any of my videos are useful, please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll show you the app now. So this is the app. It's called Admisia. It's done for now, like anyone can use it, but it's not launched yet. It's gonna launch on October 1st. What you can do in this, unlimited searches, like you can search how much ever you want. So it's gonna show you all these details, you know, like course content, how much is the fees, what is the admission requirements, and all those things. Obviously there is a price for this. You can ask me like why it's not free. There is a cost to operate the whole thing, even if it's not a physical product, for people to like use it on a regular basis. Everything together makes this app, so you know there is a cost to use all those services. So the first month, so it's launching on October 1st, so the first 30 days, anyone who signs up, so right now it's $7 a week and $15 a month, but the first month it's gonna be $7 a month, so it's basically like 50% off. I think 1 month of using this app or having this app, I think that's enough time for anyone to like figure out which program and which colleges are gonna apply. So $7 is, it's not expensive, I'm pretty sure, especially for something that you're gonna spend like the next 3-4 years, and something you're gonna spend so much money, you know, for any university or college. That's the cost. You can just directly go sign up, you know, get started. I already have an account. So once I log in, like the dashboard where it just shows you like your email and you know, when you joined and what is like your subscription, whether it's a weekly or monthly. And you can obviously go and manage your subscription. If you want to cancel it, you can do all that. And you can also manage your profile. You can add like a picture if you want, and then you can change your name if you want, so, and then also your password. So we have two tools inside this. So one is the program search tool, which obviously shows you like what colleges and universities based on your search, and the second thing is visa information. We'll start with the university search. This is the search tool. You just basically input whatever you want. It's not just for people who are like coming abroad or who's going to a different country to study. Even if you want to look up for programs like within your country, you can do that. I'll just do like Australia, do like university, and then let's say we're looking for a master's degree. We do like maybe 2 years. Let's say we're looking for MBA, and then we can click search. So it's gonna look up for all those things. It's gonna bring you like the proper universities like based on your things. So it's gonna be very specific. You will get an email once your results are ready. You can probably wait for your email. It takes like less than a minute mostly. I'll just check if I got an email. I got an email. We can go to searches, or you can just click the link from the email and it just opens up directly. It just takes you to the searches tab here. You can see all your searches, whatever you do before, and I did all these things like for testing before, so it's all there. Anything that you do, like the latest one comes on top. So we see like MBA, Australia, 2 years, Masters, University. If we click open, it has given us 5. All the results is gonna be here. This is going to be, as I said before, like it's gonna be very specific. So if you want universities, it only gives you universities. So the reason why that is, like I'm gonna explain it right now. When you're looking for colleges or universities, you won't really have much idea, right? So you know, you might have like different options. You'll be okay with like a college and like also a university, or you know, in other cases like you'll be okay with like studying for 2 years or 3 years. You'll be okay with both. So but you're just looking for like the best option, right? In this case, this is only 2 years and university. If you want to check something, you can just click the drop down, and it's going to show you all these things. It says Masters of Business Administration, 2 years full time, and then the course content just gives you like a one-liner of what you're going to study in that. that. And fees and admission requirements, it says like it's not specified in the source. If it doesn't show up here, you can always click open, and that is going to take you directly to the official page of that program. And then here you can go and see the fees. So this is their official website, right? In this case, on the second one, we have the RMIT University. So here the fees is obviously available. Admission requirements: Australian bachelor's degree or equivalent, and GMAT overall score of minimum score of 550. So if you want to go and check more information, you can always click open, and it's going to take you to the official page of that program. In this case, you got 5 results right now. Let's say Edith Cowan and RMIT. Those two, you like those, and you did your research and you like those. So you can just click the thumbs up icon on both of these, and that's gonna get added to your favorites, which again you can go here, the tab on the top. So once you go to favorites, it's gonna be here. You can see like other stuff here, but this is for testing. Again, I was doing it before this. But yeah, we have both the RMIT and Edith Cowan. So this tab is like the final shortlist before you actually start, going and applying to those, those places. From here, like you can see, and let's say you shortlisted these 4. You didn't probably like British Columbia, so you don't want that anymore. There's some kind of a problem, you don't want to apply for that. You click the thumbs down icon, and then that goes off the list. And this would be like your final list, right? And then from here you just click open, you go to their site, you can apply. So let's say for visual effects, I did 2 searches. Both are Canada, both are certificate, both are colleges, but one is 1 year and one is less than 1 year. So in this case, if we go to 1 year, so we have these 3 colleges: George Brown, Sheridan, and Fanshawe. If we go to less than 1 year, it's gonna show you Seneca also. That's the reason why it's very specific, and that's the reason why you have like unlimited searches. So you can do one search for 1 year, one search for 2 years, one search for Canada, one search for like UK, USA, you do all these things, and then you choose, let's say you choose only like one from this search, and one 1 year program and one 2 years program. Favorite all those things, and then do like the final filtering in the favorites tab. This is very specific, so it's gonna give you exactly what you want. So that's where our next step comes. So let's say we don't want Langra 2. So these are the only 2 we're gonna apply, for now. So these 2 are obviously, it's in Australia, right? So this is obviously for people who are looking to study abroad, right? What is like the requirement for Australia, if you're gonna apply as a student. So this is the visa info tool, very simple. You just basically go to country, basically click the country, click search. Here it shows you pretty much everything you need, like all the information. So for Australia in 2024, it's gonna show you all these things, like the latest news, what changes have been made and all those things. It's also gonna show you like what is the date this was updated. And let's say something happened and they actually changed something in the last 3 days. Obviously you can click open, and it's gonna take you to the official Australian government website for student visa. Obviously advice to go to the official link, even though that gives you information. That is just a tool to come to these links, right? So it's better to see more information and apply from here or do whatever, right? That's it. That's the app. I think this will be useful for most of you students, like who's looking to apply for either bachelor's or master's, anything like within your country or in another country. I think this will give you like the first step to go into your research and search for stuff. That's what I've been working on, and I spent so much time to actually create this. You guys can also access this, and also if you guys like this, please do comment below. And if you guys think something else should be in this, definitely let me know in the comments. And for anyone who's looking for universities or places, I think this will work. It'll be useful for them. I hope you guys will support once this gets launched. Please do share it with anyone who you know. It's gonna be admisia.com. It'll be live on October 1st. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys like what the tool does. So yeah, I'll see you guys on another video. Till then, it's Manish.